Hey everyone, we got ourselves Optic 2020, 2021 Donruss Optic. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. I got this off the Target website a while back. I was only able to get one, unfortunately. Wasn't lucky enough for more. But can't complain, at least you're getting it at retail price, not paying the eBay prices. I've been trying to stay away from eBay. Burns a good hole in my pocket. Just try to, get this. Target website. I think this past week the Target drop was on a Tuesday. I missed it for the most part. I only got to see the fat packs get dropped, and I was not going to pick some up. I was just too tired. And again, burns a hole in your pocket after a while with these things, right? So what do we got here? 28 cards per pack. Finding seven instant inserts or prism parallels. Let's go ahead and get started. This NBA season's kind of going a little bit slower. We got ourselves Robbins, Wiggins, Trey Jones, rookie, nice. My house, Kawhi Leonard, nice. That guy down there. My house is looking nice. Saw the one, someone else's break. My house was really nice with LeBron. Got Russell, D'Angelo Russell, Bryant, Blake Griffin. Video game time, era defense. Giannis. What was that game called? NBA Jams, where that guy's heads were so huge. That'd be cool if they ever did something like that. We got Terry Rozier, Van Fleet, Kyle Lewis Jr., and we got ourselves Express Lane of James Harden. Pick this up pack for what, $20 a box. It's not bad. We got ourselves Giannis, Luka, nice. Drew Holiday, nice. Trey Young, silver. We're getting lucky on our bases. These cards are not bad either. All right, we got New York, Burton. Got ourselves another rookie, Winston, and we got winner stays. Oh, Seth Curry Optic. I'm watching a lot of the breaks. I don't remember seeing Optics doing numbered cups. So other ones, so no luck. I got some Trey Young again. Buddy. Zach LaVine. Right. Whoa. Purple. Sorry, I was expecting a pink. Purple, nice. Let's put that down real quick. We'll go to our last pack. We'll flip through it and I'll leave them afterwards. I wonder if that's a purple or a blue. Got Hunter, Corey White, Dalton, and we got ourselves another insert, Murray. All right, let's just kind of go through our inserts and rookies real quick. Definitely got some good base cards as well. Got Murray, Dalton, rookie. We got Luka. I want to say this doesn't look from this angle. It kind of looks like a blue, but no, it's a purple. Just leave that guy up. We got Seth Curry, Winston, Trey Young, Lane, Express Lane, Harden. Our next rookie is Lewis, We got Giannis, air defense, my house, Kawhi Leonard. Another one, Trey Jones, rookie. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, that helps the channel. As always, you guys have a good one.